Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Denshattack game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart our PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold down power button and let 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, go to settings menu from the PS5 home screen. Now choose system, then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts. Move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Denshattack game. Click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings. Go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. After that, change language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button, but then select advanced setting, then change DNS settings to manual. Here the manual Google DNS primary and secondary is mentioned. Once you have entered it, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, click on connection status, test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system, then go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next solution is to reinstall Denshattack game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Denshattack game again to check for the error. If not, next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain the issue you are coming across and the support team will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.